Stuff like this, I don't understand when the dollar store does this. Oh my gosh, wrinkle away. They have some stuff here that says $2 and they have stuff that says $3. Some craziness.
Every second, every minute, man, I swear that she can get it. Saying you a bad bitch, put your hands up high, hands up high, hands up high. Tell them dim the lights down right now, put me in the mood. I'm talking about dark room, perfume, go.
I recognize your fragrance, hold up, you ain't never gotta say shit, and I know your taste is a little bit, high maintenance, everybody else basic, you live life on an everyday basis, with poetic justice, poetic justice. If I told you that a flower bloomed in a dark room, would you trust it? I mean, I write poems in these songs, dedicated to you when you're in the mood for empathy, there's blood in my pen, better yet with your friends and them, I really wanna know you all, I really wanna show you off. Pour up plenty of champagne. Cold nights when you curse this name. You called up your girlfriends and y'all curled in that little bitty range. I heard that she wanna go and party. She wanna go and party. Nigga don't approach her with that Atari. Nigga that ain't good game home is sorry. They say conversation rule a nation. I can tell, but I could never right my wrongs unless I write it down for real. P.S.
It feels like nobody's there and nobody cares until they're in front of your tombstone. I've been timing for too long. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Looking with y'all and giving out verses and bookings.
Hey guys, welcome back to another vlog. It's your girl Tasha, but if you're new here, welcome. We are going to be going to the Dollar Tree today and do what we do best, which is we're gonna go shopping on a budget for some cleaning products. Last time I came here we did some hygiene shopping, so we're gonna switch it up today because your girl needs some cleaning products and I ain't trying to spend too much money because you know I always gotta be on a budget. Why are you making faces? Why are you making fun of your mom? What do we need today? Because I didn't even make a list. I have a little bit of stuff at home, but I want to see what the prices are like for the cleaning products because last time I came here, why was I seeing stuff for all $3-4? Like I don't know what is going on. They're trying to ruin our lives, okay? They're trying to ruin us mentally because I don't understand how the Dollar Tree went from $1.25 to this horrendous whopping price. If I see cleaning products today for over even $3.50, I'm gonna write a letter. Let's just get this done because I have other things I need to do today. The thrift store, she hates when I call it the thrifty. The thrift store is having a 50% off sale today, so I'm gonna be doing some shopping in there. Hopefully I find some cool stuff because Kylie is the best thrifty shopper. She always finds the coolest stuff. Like she bought some nice pants the other day and I tried to steal them and she just won't give them to me, so like I hope she finds me some cool pants today. And everything is 50% off. Sometimes on the weekends they would have 2 tags for like 50% off manager sale, but they're having their anniversary sale. I was shopping when we were shopping in there, I heard them say it on the announcement that it's today, so the whole store is 50% off. But because we were on a rush because we have to go get Royal, I don't think I'll be able to show you as much, so we're just gonna try and get this all done as fast as possible. Let's go. I'm not even talking properly because we gotta go. Okay guys, we're here. It doesn't look too drastic. We got stuff for $2, $1.75. Also the dishwashing liquid, it's $1.75. For this to come down, $2. Why? You guys can get this cheaper at the grocery store and a bigger bottle. Stuff like this, I don't understand when the dollar store does this. Now I don't really like buying dish soap from the dollar store because to me it doesn't sud as good. These are all ultras and I've tried some of them and I don't really like it. They got some cleaning stuff. Oh, bathroom cleaner for $2. I don't think this is bad and it has bleach in it. I'm not really a big bleach cleaner Only because I don't trust it. I don't trust bleach. It used to just stain up my clothes in the washing machine, and my mom would wash my clothes when I was younger, and all my stuff got ruined. So I just never really drifted to bleach. But for the bathroom, I would buy cleaner that has bleach in it. Now this is shower cleaner, bathroom cleaner. This has ammonia in it. I don't know, but I'm gonna grab one of these, or should I get both? I'm just gonna get the bathroom cleaner for now and see how that goes. Dish detergent packs. You can get a pack of detergent packs. These are probably for your dishwasher. Minano. There's 10 in here. Some more bathroom cleaner. They have a lot of bathroom cleaner options. This is for your dishes and your plates. Why do they spell plates like that? Doesn't plates have an E in it? Plats?
That's the French version.
I wasn't too good in French, you guys. I didn't like it that much. This is peppermint and sage. Okay, let me smell it. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm not used to this type of stuff on my dishes.
Let me smell it.
It's very pepperminty.
Oh, like a candy cane.
For dishes, Pine and Glow. Okay, so they got the same old Pine Glow. This is like a pine sol, and they have it in different scents. They got this one, which looks like it's the original. This one must have the lemon in it. What's the difference? Yeah, lemon fresh. That one was just
Iced tea.
That's not even funny. We got some awesome cleaner, and they also have the one that has the spray bottle on it, but the one without the spray is bigger than the one with the spray. I would just get the one with the spray, so I feel like it's easier to clean with this one. And this stuff is actually pretty awesome. I see some people post about it, and I don't know, it works all right for the Dollar Tree, you know. So we got multi-surface cleaner. Okay, so a lot of these are $2, like I said. It'll be $3. We got some $3 happening here, but if it's not marked, then it's $1.75. And then they have some stuff here that says $2, and they have stuff that says $3. Some craziness.
Friends.
They got some. Yo, my daughter, something else. They got some Mr. Clean. To me, this is a small bottle. And $3, honestly, you guys, before you go to the dollar store or the Dollar Tree, just go to Walmart, please, for me. Let's go to Walmart first. And if, for some reason, Walmart is just being a bit bougie, then you come to the Dollar Tree. You know, because sometimes I feel like it's pretty drastic. Okay, so we got some scent boosters for your laundry. Okay, so I'm gonna smell these and see. No to the no.
Oh,
It's rude. I feel like I used to buy like these ones. But shaving cream. This is not bad. This is giving grape. This is giving grape. Smell it. I want to get one of these.
like,
No, it's giving grape.
oh.
Ooh, this is lemon, but it's like, I don't know.
Ew.
I don't know. Sometimes when you use these, Daniel. Sometimes when you use these, you don't really know how it smells until you do laundry with it. I'll tell me which one smells the best. It's kind of lost right now.
This one smells like the green apple. What's it called?
Is it better than this one so far?
Yeah, it's way better.
Kylie's saying this one is better than this one right now. I gotta really see.
But they both smell like
This is giving, you know, black licorice and grape
conditioner.
mixed together.
They both smell like conditioner.
They do smell like conditioner, you know?
Yeah.
Okay, so this is in the ranking right now. Did I smell the pink one yet?
No.
No.
Let me smell it.
I don't know. Sometimes when you're buying from the Dollar Tree, it just wants to have a weird undertony scent.
This is gross too.
But like in the midst of it, you can smell like a hint of baby powder. Just a hint. It's a small little pinch. I swear, it's just a pinch.
No.
There's so many to choose from, guys. I don't know. Maybe you can come smell them for yourself. Yeah, it's giving laundry. It's giving laundry.
It's giving.
Laundry.
Yeah.
So which one is in the ranking right now? The orange one's still. This one is still winning, you guys.
We didn't smell that blue one.
We didn't?
No.
We still have a contender. What do you think? What do you guys think? You guys, comment below. Is this gonna be the winner, or is the orange one still in ranking? While you guys are doing that, as you can see, we got some laundry baskets here for like $2. We also got them in gray. They got some, what are these? Got some little rugs here. And you could use these like in your little laundry room if you have one. And I say this to say because sometimes people have to move out and then your expenses are just super high. So sometimes when it comes to things like this, you just have to end up budgeting a little bit until you just catch yourself up a little. Why are we shaking?
You can
Why
use it
are
as a
we
maraca.
shaking? You guys, also comment down below if you do any of your cleaning product shopping at the dollar store. What is the main thing you go for? Because I also want to see like what am I missing out on from the Dollar Tree that could just be worth my dollar. So yeah, let me know that in the comments. Oh yeah, I didn't smell this blue one yet. Yeah, no. 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 No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Last cleaner. Do we have any of this left?
I don't think so.
No, right? Okay, I'm gonna get some glass cleaner for the bathroom. Oh yeah, I'm gonna need this too. Ooh, and they got these dryer sheets. No, this is not really giving a scent. Got some bounce ones here for $2. I am running out of these. I do like the bounce ones. There's only 15 sheets in here though. Unless I can find another one. Oh, they have Gain. Let me see how much the Gain is. Because this one actually has 34 sheets. And it's $3. When I do the math, am I saving? I don't know. I feel like I'm saving a bit if I buy these ones. But I do prefer the bounce. They also have this one. I wonder if this one, I can't remember. It's been a minute since I bought cleaning products from the Dollar Tree. I'm not really getting much of a scent out of this. So you know what? Even though this is 15 sheets, I'm going to grab that one. Everything is like AI these days. Oh no, this generation is cooked. So we got some awesome cleaner here for $2. I don't really use this stuff. You guys use this stuff? What is this for? Base cleaner. Chlorine free. Fragrance boosters. Is this also for laundry? I saw these ones. I don't know. Sometimes the scents are just like, I don't know. I don't even know what to say. Fabric rinse for soft French laundry. Okay, I wanted to smell this fabric rinse. Like, what is it really doing? What is it really doing? It's not doing anything. Oh, they got borax. Didn't we need borax for something?
Oh, like for slime.
But other than slime, didn't I need borax for something? Laundry booster. Kylie used to use this for slime. I used to have to go to Walmart and buy this and just her make a whole bunch of slime every day, and then she would put my lotion in it too.
This smells like
Crazy
seaweed.
work. That's why I don't even bother to spend too much on these things, because these kids, yo, the way I put toilet paper in the bathroom and you guys done off the toilet paper and it was just
Oopsie.
everywhere.
It wasn't me. It was
Royal is 6, so like she finds everything to use the toilet paper for, and she, oh my gosh, this little girl used it. Remember, she used it to make water balls, and she would throw them on the ceiling, and we thought and then it would leave like these little things on the ceiling, and it looked like the ceiling was leaking. When we really checked it out, it was because she was throwing the toilet paper balls on the ceiling. Was she like 4 of them times?
Yeah.
This does not smell like baby oil.
Yeah, it does.
Is that a different one? There's 2 of them. Should I try it? What's it really doing? I'm already washing my clothes with detergent.
You just gotta use it and see.
Wouldn't it be better to buy some fabric softener?
Extra.
You smell this stuff. With me, the dollar store, it doesn't smell right. It's giving boring. Boring. I'm gonna smell some of these fabric softeners here. We got this one. This one must be oh, not $1.75. It's $2. Come on. It always has like an undertone scent that it's supposed to be, and on top is some nonsense. No. So I'm getting a little bit of like babyish happening.
Yeah. Ew, wait, it smells like medicine.
Yeah, but like underneath, something's happening. Then you
It
got
smells
some
just like-
bleach, you know, the normal things. Wrinkle away. That's what my steamer is for now. Why am I buying a spray for wrinkle? Oh my gosh, is this like dirty in my lens?
Use it on your skin.
You guys, I'm sorry if the lens is like not lensing right now. You see, you can use the wrinkle away on your skin. Yeah. Oh my gosh, wrinkle away. Like chocolate fabric softener. What's for pets? Mega sheets, fresh scents, repels pet hair and length. If you have a pet, If you have a pet, we got something for ya in the Dollar Tree. This doesn't smell bad. How come the dog stuff smells good? Are they good? Are they rude? And then the baby smell doesn't smell like anything.
Dogs are just cute.
This has the baby picture on it. I don't smell nothing. But the dog scent has a good smell. Okay, so we got some wood cleaner here. I think I bought this before. I've seen this in the house. This is $2.50. This is $2.50 because they trying to rob us for everything that we got. But yeah, I think that is pretty much. Oh, I'm not even looking at you guys. I think that is pretty much it for my Dollar Tree haul. I just needed a few cleaning products. If you guys want to see more hauls like this, because I know you guys used to love this stuff in the past, but like your girl is seriously on a budget. Like I have so much things to deal with right now. Like you guys just seen, I came back from Jamaica and my family is trying to rob me, and like I need to buy parts for my car, so it's like I can't really do these hauls, but like I really enjoy doing them. But like I just gotta get myself in order. But if you guys want to see more hauls like this, just let me know in the comments and I'll figure something out. I will figure something out. That's it for my haul. That's it for my haul. Why they have books here? Why they got books here? I feel like I want to come back and reorganize this dollar store because it's not dollar storing right.
It should be over there.
It's not dollar storing right. And then we got some pet food right there. What's going on? If you guys like this vlog, make sure to give it a like. It helps on my channel so much. Also, don't forget to comment down below. Even if you have nothing to say, just say hi. You know, let me know what are your favorite products that you buy from the Dollar Tree when it comes to cleaning products. Did I tell them to subscribe already? Don't forget to subscribe. Share this video. Share this video for besties. Share this video for her bestie, right? Only a hater wouldn't share this video, because who doesn't want a clean house? Cleanness is good for the mind. Cleanliness is next to godliness. That's how I always say it. Like I do believe that, because honestly, if the space around me is a mess and it's not clean, I cannot think right. I will see you guys in the next one.